Okay, welcome back to Callum's Knowledge. And in this video we're going to walk through task 5. In this task, focus on two fundamental data structures in Python, which are lists and dictionaries, and how they can be applied to common accounting scenarios. And what we'll do is we'll use a list to manage revenue figures across business quarters and a dictionary to store and access exchange rates for different currencies. Now we'll begin with the list. A list in Python is a collection of items stored in square brackets. It can hold numbers, strings, or even a mix of both. And in this example, we'll use it to store the revenue figures for the first 4 quarters of a company's financial year. Now, this list contains 4 revenue values, one for each quarter from quarter 1 to quarter 4. And each value is a number representing income in GBP. To confirm the values in the list, we'll use the print function to output it, which is seen here. Now let's imagine we're at the end of the 5th quarter. Maybe we're rolling into the next fiscal year and we've just recorded the revenue for Q5. To add this new revenue to our list, we will use the append method, which is dot append and then the brackets around the number that you want to add. And what this does, this method adds a new item to the end of the list, which in this case it'll be Q5 figure that's added after the Q4. But since we're only interested in the latest 4 quarters, which is common in financial reporting, like rolling 12-month summaries, we'll now remove the oldest value, which is Q1. To do this, we'll use the dot pop with the 0 around it, which removes the first item in the list. This keeps our list clean and relevant, showing only the most recent 4 quarters. Now, we'll print the list again to confirm it now. It contains Q2 for Q5. This is the print quarterly revenues, and we'll put updated so it's all clear. So far in this task, we've demonstrated how to create a list, append a new item to it, remove an item by index, and print the results. This kind of list manipulation is useful when you're building dynamic reports, dashboards, or automated summaries that update with each new reporting method. Moving on to the next part, we've got dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs. Accounting and finance, this is especially helpful when we want to match specific items to their values. For example, currency codes and their exchange rates. Now in this dictionary, USD is the key and the value of 1.35, meaning £1 is equal to 1.35, and it's the same goes with Euro and Japanese yen. To access exchange rate for a specific company, we'll use a square bracket notation to provide the key. For example, if we want to find the exchange rate for euros, we'll write print exchange rate for EUR, then exchange underscore rates, and then again EUR. You'll see in a wee second. This tells us how many euros we get for £1. In this case, the output should be 1.15. We'll see in a wee second. Here goes euro. As we see, yep, it's showing 1.15, so everything's working. We see the 360. Well, let's say if we change this, it'll show up 1.25. So now we know it's all working. So then exchange rate is 1.25. We'll keep it at 1.15. And as we see down the bottom, it's 360, which is what's changed. But if we go ahead and change this to, let's say, 500,000 and play it, it'll show up 500,000. Which is perfect, exactly what we wanted. So you can mend that how you like. So to summarise, in this task, I've used a list to store and update quarterly revenue values, demonstrating how to use append and pop methods. And then we used a dictionary to store exchange rates and showed how to access a specific rate by its key. Both lists and dictionaries are core data structures in Python, and they're incredibly useful for when we're working with financial data, whether you're building a financial dashboard automating reports, or creating a tool to track exchange rates. These tools help organise and manage your data efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in task 6.